Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I will discuss another topic of MySQL Join, that is Right Join. So let's get started. Let me show you database first. So I have created employee table in which you can see there are three entries. Then there is address table. You can see employee ID and its address is present in that table. So what basically right join does is it will return all the records from the right table and the matching records from the left table. Matching records means like where both rows are common in right as well as in left. Now let me show you syntax for this. So you can say select column names from table 1, right join table 2 on table 1 where same column is present. So here from table 1 is our employee table and right join table 2 is our address table. And on condition it's going to be employee ID as it is common in both the tables. So now let's write the query for our example. So write select star from employee, right join and table is going to be address. On condition, write employee dot id equals to address dot employee id, as employee id is common in both the tables. In some databases you can see right join is written like right outer join. It's like basically same. So have a look at the results of the query. You can see there are three results now as every employee is having its address. So right now I am having three employees. So let me add one more address. Let's say employee ID 4 as it is not present right now. So let me just add 4 and Rajasthan address. So now if I'll execute the query, let's have a look what we will be getting as result. Now execute this query and now you can see we are having four results. So it's taking all the rows from the right table. You can see Rajasthan is also present in output and employee table it's giving null for fourth employee as no entry is present for 4 ID. So here you can see all the records from the right table is there and matching records from the left table is also present. Now let me just empty the employee table and let's see what output we will be getting. So now execute the query. So you can see if there is no data in the left table, then all the data from the right table will be returned as an output. So that's all in this video. If you have any doubt regarding right join, then comment down below. And other joins I'll be covering up in the upcoming videos. So till then, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.